Namaste. Welcome to Bhide Retreat Kihim Alibag. I would like to take you through our health and safety precautions. Please follow me. On your entry, hands are disinfected using hand sanitizer provided. Your luggage also goes through a disinfection routine. Floor markers are used to ensure social distancing is maintained while checking in. Your temperature is checked with IR thermometer and your oxygen levels will be checked with help of oximeter. Sanitized pens are used for paperwork. We also have extra mask and gloves kept if you wish to use them. Thank you. Your key is sanitized before handed out to you. We are doing everything possible to ensure you have safe and healthy stay with us. All our common area touch points like railings, game zone area and its utilities are sanitized at regular intervals using medical grade sanitizers. There are hand sanitizers kept at various public areas for easy access. Your room sanitization starts with door handles, and the room is sanitized with immense attention to detail. All the electrical sockets, appliances are thoroughly disinfected. Sanitizer bottle and mask are kept in the room. We also take care of the washroom sanitization with sanitizing toilet fixtures. Extra precaution is taken to sanitize the room. To further reduce the risk, rooms are allocated to new guests only after 72 hours of previous guest checkout. Hand sanitizers are kept at the restaurant entrance. The dining tables are also placed 6 feet away, ensuring social distancing norms. The tables and chairs are also sanitized after every use. Social distancing norms are followed for buffet and our staff taking full precautions while serving. All our staff also undergo a rigorous sanitization routine when they arrive. Hand sanitization, temperature checks and oxygen level checks are performed upon their arrival. Our staff always wear gloves and masks at work, maintaining social distance, and they are happy to serve you. We are open with full excitement, keeping in mind the guidelines given by Ministry of Tourism and WHO's safety and health guidelines. We are looking forward to welcome you back.